Hey, my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I cannot wait to show you the Anika Kreative Kloset Sisterhood Collection box. Anika is one of my good friends and she has an Etsy shop. I will link all of that information down below. But when she came out with this Sisterhood Collection, I knew I had to get this. So you guys, look at this. I love the packaging on here, really cute. And so this Sisterhood Collection actually represents the relationship between Anika and her two sisters. And so I just love the whole meaning of sisterhood, just being loyal and supportive. And it's just amazing. So here she does have a card that gives you the definition of sisterhood, which is loyalty, unity, supportive, and powerful. Love it. That is what I am talking about. And then there is her card. And I will put all of her information down below if you want to check her out on Instagram. Also on her Etsy shop. And she also has a Facebook group. But I will put all that information down in my description box for you. Now, with this Sisterhood Collection, we are going to get this beautiful die cut of the sisterhood or the sisters in this collection. As you can tell, it's vibrant colors. I love the colors that were selected, which is these bold blue, yellow. You get the blue and white stripes, and then you get that beautiful chic black. I love it so much. So in this collection, we are going to get 5 sticker sheets. And I'm going to let you see what all comes in it. So I'm going to unwrap this one and let you guys see what it looks like. So here, this says sisterhood. There is strength in sisterhood. And then you get some of the decorative elements in there, as well as a quote. Super cute. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and unwrap all of these and then show them to you one by one. But I'm just loving the big, bold colors. As you can see, this sticker right here, the yellow, that yellow is Miss Nika. And you get some colorful boxes, days of the week, and some decorative stickers. Love the bold colors. Next, we are going to get a chance to see Miss Kiki. I love this. It is super cute and fun and flirtatious like. I love it. Super cute. And then next is Miss Nisa. Again, all of these dolls are going to come with colorful boxes and days of the weeks. And then last but not least, the beautiful chic and Miss D. And I love that. Nice matte black chic light color. I love that. So again, we have Miss D, we get Miss Nessa, we get Miss Kiki, and also we checked out Miss Nika. I absolutely love this. Again, this is a 5-sheet sisterhood collection. All these dolls are going to come with days of the week stickers, task stickers, and also decorative stickers, as well as colorful boxes to match. And you can see how each of them are going to complement each other if you want to mix and match them up. But I absolutely love this. Now, this die cut, I believe it is a sticker. But if it's not, I will turn this into a sticker. But I love how that she also combined all the sisters together, or all the friends, because sisterhood can be your sisters, or it can be a bond between close friends, like your best friend. But I will turn that into a sticker, of course. I also picked up a few more items that I also want to share with you. I did pick up some business budget stickers as well, because she does offer that and a whole lot more. So I also want to show you that as well. So I did pick up the business budget here in this beautiful print. I also picked up this one as well in this print here. And I absolutely love this. So again, I picked up 2 business budget sticker sheets, as well as the Sisterhood Collection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you decide to go over and check out Miss Anika, let her know that her friend Takoa sent you over and that you love what you saw in the Sisterhood Collection. Again, she does have plenty more to offer within her Etsy shop and also on Instagram. So please make sure you go ahead and check her out. And if you are new here, hello and welcome. I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel if you enjoyed this video, or if you want to see more videos from me. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell. And don't forget to check out my friend Anika Kreative Kloset. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.